Hello everyone. In a major escalation, the US military has struck Iranian missile sites near the Strait of Hormuz using powerful 5,000-pound deep penetrator bombs. Washington claims this was necessary to protect international shipping from Iranian cruise missiles. Notably, this operation Donald Trump called for permanent damage to Iranian capabilities. On the other side, Iranian sources claim that since February 28, over 200 US personnel have been killed and 3,000 wounded. Analysts suggest that China might suffer the most from this conflict, as its heavy reliance on Iranian crude oil and its $400 billion strategic deal are now at serious risk. This situation brings back haunting memories of the 2003 Iraq War, which began over claims of weapons of mass destruction. That conflict resulted in the deaths of over 4,500 US soldiers and hundreds of thousands of Iraqi civilians. As history seems to rhyme, the world watches with deep concern. In the Iraq War, which began in 2003 and concluded in 2011, more than 4,500 US service members lost their lives and over 32,000 were wounded. Their sacrifice was immense. During the same period, estimates of Iraq's innocent civilian and children fatalities vary widely, suggesting a range from 100,000 to over 1 million. Their loss is also irreparable. The echoes of a two-decade war. The war in Afghanistan, 2001 to 2021, remains a haunting chapter of sacrifice and immense loss. Over these 20 long years, the lives of 2,461 US service members and CIA personnel were cut short, leaving behind grieving families and a legacy of bravery. More than 20,000 others returned home with the invisible and physical scars of a battlefield they could never truly leave behind. Despite an investment of over $2 trillion, a staggering sum aimed at stability, the final withdrawal in August 2021 saw the Taliban swiftly regain control. As the last troops left, they left behind a nation in turmoil and a world reflecting on the profound human and economic cost of a conflict that spanned generations. The sacrifice of the fallen remains a somber reminder of the heavy price of war.